Hey YouTube. So today I am scoping out this new product. So super excited. I don't know if you can see our new Christmas gift. So cool. I love it. Yeah. So let's just open it. So this is it. I am obsessed with The Nightmare Before Christmas ever since I was a kid, like under 3 years old. This was purchased off Amazon, but it is a product of Walmart. So I just started opening it. And so it comes with a collectible pin and a digital code as well. So I'm hoping that I can watch this. See, digital code included, download or stream. I'm hoping that I don't even have to open the DVD to take the disc out to use it. So let's see. All right, so it has two sections here. This first one awesome. It's also the sing-along edition. Very cool. Redeem on movies anywhere. At the top, I have no idea what that is. Very cool. Okay. So I think let's open this from the bottom. Oh, this isn't stuck to it? Aha. Okay. Guess with the sticky. And that must be the pin. Wow. Awesome. Well, there you have it, guys. That's it. So when you open this, that's what the disc looks like. It's so pretty blue. And then your code will be over here. So thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. I'm trying to get back on here. Yeah, with just random stuff I like in life. I mean, it is my YouTube channel, right? Why not? Hope everyone had a great holiday. Happy New Year.